I have just received Aiper's V3 awesome pool cleaning robot. Now, what you're gonna see in this unboxing is some conspicuous missing items. Let me show you what I mean. What you're gonna miss is no cords, no hassle, easy, robotic, automatic pool cleaning with easy setup. Pool cleaning meets AI, that is the masterful V3. Now here we have the quick start guide, my go-to. I love a quick start guide, very easy, 4 or 5 steps here, including the app setup, which will make it operate from the palm of your hand. What we are unpacking here is the AI new version of Scuba, Aiper's very best. Now here are the quick start guides and the user's manual, and we also have a hook and your charging card. This revolutionary cordless robot changes the game completely because it is integrating a front-facing cognitive AI vision system that actively detects over 23 types of pool debris. Now we're going to take off these protective coatings and to show you my favorite part, which is right here. Yes, it's a charging stand. No more reaching behind the outdoor sofa. You just put it right on this stand, easy as it can be, and it cradles it, and the cord is already fed through the back, so you will just simply line up these sensors here and place it on the charging stand. Just like that, it is docked and ready to go. So wonderful. And instead of mindlessly wandering, this internal navigation system is going to direct it automatically to the dirty zones. Yes, it will find the dirt and retrieve it. That is what we're looking at. Now let's get it in the pool. This was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I love it. I'm so excited to put it in the pool with you. Here we go, putting it in. Now the Scuba S3 is awesome at the waterline, the floors, and shallow surfaces. It uses jet assist scrubbing that you see here with dual brushes, 4800 GPH suction, and micro mesh multi-layer filtration for a complete clean. Now it has great mapping using the world's first cognitive AI powered essential robot pool cleaning features. It goes toward the dirt, seeks it, finds it, and retrieves it. With its powered AI camera, the Scuba V3 detects 20 types of debris, cuts unnecessary movement, and boosts efficiency by cleaning 10 times faster, delivering faster cleanup, smarter coverage, and less waiting. Your pool will be cleaner in less time. As you can see, it is jetting across my pool in a very organized fashion, seeking out the debris and going completely over the floors, the walls, and the water lines. It has an advanced mode called AI Navium, and that delivers hands-free weekly cleaning, creating a personalized plan based on your pool size, the weather, of course, and the cleaning history. It's 7 days on just one charge. That means 24/7 pool cleaning where you don't even have to think about it. And look, it masters the stairs and the water line above the stairs. That's a very unique feature. Look at it climbing the stairs. Now my stairs are sloped and they're rounded edges, which is hard for pool cleaners, but it is just going over it massively. Since it seeks out the dirt and finds it, it is a lot quicker. It's not just wandering around, it's seeking the dirt. And look at it on my shallow tanning ledge here, and it has obstacle avoidance. As you can see, it gingerly has a soft touch around my pool light. And this is a very hard spot because it's curved, it's sloped, and it has a light in the middle, and the ledge gets narrower near the ends. So this is a really unique spot that most pool cleaners struggle with, but this V3 has handled it perfectly. Another great feature it has is horizontal waterline cleaning. That gives extra time and attention on the water lines. It turns on its side and it scrubs it from the front and the side. It can detect dirt from 6.5 feet away, and it's 10 times faster with leaves, debris, sticks, bugs, you name it. It takes care of it. Please like this video and follow us so you can see more from this great brand and many like this. You're going to want to see a lot more of this V3, and we're going to give it to you.